Hello everyone, my name is Tejashri Sadhu and today's date is 3 August 2021 and our video topic is array list and linked list. So what is meant by array? Array is a basically collection of similar data type. In array, what will be happen? In array, we can store only the specific element. We does not increase our array size or we does not decrease our array size. So this is the basic drawback of array. So that drawback can be overcome in an array list and linked list. In an array list we can increase our array and increase our array length and size, and so the array list is our dynamic array. So all the drawback of array can be overcome in an array list and linked list. So in a list there are multiple type: array list, linked list, hash map, tree hash map. So what will be happen in a array list, what will be happen in a linked list, what will be happen in a hash map, what will be happen in a tree hash map, that can be see one by one. So we will see what will be happen in a hash map array list, what will be happen in a array list and what will be happen in a linked list. So array list means what? Array list means it's adding the element in an array. So our array is a dynamic form. So in an array list we can adding our element. So we will see what will be advantage, what will be point to be remember in an array list. So in an array list we can easily access of any element by using the index value. In an array list our array is a insertion form. Means what will be happen means what will be means by the insertion form. Insertion form means this is one of the meaning is contiguous form. So what will be the contiguous form? So contiguous and insertion means what? If we declare the array as 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1 is stored at the element index 0, 2 is stored at the element index 1, 3 is stored at the index 2, 4 is stored as the index 3. So 1 to 4 we declare the array that can be stored at the index as is starting from 0 and ending from 3. So it will be called the insertion form. So in an array list our array can be stored in a insertion form. So next one is our array list is a non-synchronized. What will means non-synchronized? Basically non-synchronized means what? In a non-synchronized there will be multiple thread can be worked. So this will be non-synchronized means this is thread unsafe. So what when we thread unsafe means it is not give the secure output, it is not good for the programming. So non-synchronized means what? In a non-synchronization there are multiple threads can be simultaneously work. So our array list is a non-synchronized. So another if we remove the element of an array list, then it is difficult to remove the element. So why it difficult to remove the element? Because in an array list what will be happen if we remove the element, so it is very complicated to shifting element from starting point ending point. So this is the major disadvantage of array list, is that it is very complicated to remove element from an array. So this is the most remember point of an array list. Array list is basically most advantage is that it can be give the insertion output. Second one is that it can be use non-synchronized output. Then it can be hard to remove an element. And next one is it can be easily access the element from using an index value, because we store our array in a insertion form. So it will be stored at we pass it the as we passes our value that can be stored at the continuous form. So array list our dynamic array. So in array list we increase our array size, and it is very useful to get any of an element by using an index value. So this is about the array list. So we will be see about the linked list. So linked list means what? In a linked list is a collection of object. The collection of object we call the node. So what is meant by node? In a node there are two most important two fields. The first one is we store the address of an index, and next one is what? The address can be pointed at the next null. So this is our two field to contain in a node. So linked list, what will be happen in a linked list? Our output is not insertion form, means our array is not stored at the continuous memory. So it is a unsorted form in a linked list. So in a linked list what will be happen? Our array is a not sorted form. And linked list, it is very useful to increment and decrement of an array, and by using the node we can easily remove of an element. So basically linked list advantage is what? By using the linked list we can easily remove element of an given array. By using the linked list we can easily remove of the specific element. Why we easily remove the specific element? Because of the node. In a linked list we use the node. By using the node we can easily remove the element. So linked list also non-synchronized means what? In a linked list there are multiple threads are simultaneously work. So this is also thread unsafe because of the multiple threads are simultaneously work. So there are also insecurity problems are occurred. So basic advantage is linked list is that in array list what will be happen? In array list it is complicated to remove element of an array, but in a linked list we can easily remove element from an array. So it is a major advantage of a linked list. So in a linked list there are also we see that there are two node we can use, two fields we can use. First one is pointed to the storing an address, and second one is noted that the we added next element of a node. So this is two fields of a linked list. So in a linked list our array is not sorted form, means the sort array can be stored at the various memory locations. So in a array list what will be happen? It can be stored at the continuous memory location. And linked list, what will be happen? In a linked list our array is not sorted form, means there are various memory location, there are various way to our store our element. So there is not fixed to save at the one of the location. So this is the basic disadvantage is linked list, that if we anywhere store our element. So we will see the array list and linked list. In a array list is a dynamic array, and linked list is a collection of objects that we call the node. So what will be happen in an array list? Array list is a dynamic array, means what? It can be stored the multiple of the element, and it can be easily accessed by using the index element. In a dynamic array means it increase our array size, and linked list it will also increase the array size, array length. So this is the basic advantage is that of the linked list is that we can easily remove element of an array by using the node. Why we using the node we easily remove element? Because a node can not shifting and remove element of the starting and ending point. So it will be very easy to remove element of an specific array. So all can be drawback of the array can be overcome in a array list and linked list. So there are multiple type: array list, linked list, hash map, tree hash map. So and also the linked list does not contain the duplicate element, and array list it contains the duplicate element. So this is all about the array list and linked list. Thank you.